Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we dive right in to learn how to track milestones and deadlines using ClickUp Goals, your 2025 comprehensive guide. First things first, open your ClickUp dashboard. Here, locate and click on Goals on the left-hand panel. This is where we'll be setting all our milestones and deadlines. It's crucial because it gives us a dedicated space, making tracking seamless and less cluttered. Next up, we create our goal by clicking Add Goal. A goal in ClickUp is like your end game, the big picture you're striving towards. We do this because it's pivotal to have clear, defined goals to track progress effectively. You can set a name, description, and due date for your goal. Now that we've done that, it's time to add targets within your goal. Think of targets as mini milestones that will help you reach your ultimate goal. Click on Add Target, set a name, assign it to a team member, and most importantly, set a deadline. This helps us break down our larger goal into manageable parts, allowing us to track our progress more accurately. Once you've got your targets set up, remember to regularly update your progress by adjusting the slider next to each target. This is critical because updating progress in real time gives us the most accurate picture of where we stand in relation to our goals. With all this in place, tracking milestones and deadlines becomes a breeze. Remember, the key to successful tracking is regular updating and review. And that's it. You're now equipped to track milestones and deadlines using ClickUp Goals effectively. Here's to reaching those goals in 2025. Thanks for tuning in, and catch you in the next one.